Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to preserve plantain. I usually like to fry plantain when it reaches this ripeness. Not this overripe, I don't like fried plantains too soft. However, I use overripe plantains like these ones to cook beans, yam porridge, or plantain pap or puree. So whenever I buy plantains, and I know I will not be frying or boiling them within a few days, I use this effective method of preservation that I'll be showing you in this video. When the plantains are ripe to my preference, I rinse them. The reason for rinsing the plantains before peeling the skin is to get rid of dirt or bacteria so that I don't transfer the dirt to the plantain once peeled. Do you do the same or not? Please let me know in the comment section below. Dry the plantain with a kitchen towel and peel the skin. Cut the plantain into your preferred shape. It can be cut diagonally, in cubes, or round. Before you cut the plantains, make sure the plantains are ripe because once peeled, they cannot ripen any further. So ensure you are happy with the ripeness before peeling. Place a non-stick baking paper or foil on a tray or plate. Spread the plantain slices evenly to prevent them from sticking together. The reason I pre-freeze the plantain slices is to ensure that they do not stick together once they are frozen. Place in the freezer for about 2 hours or until frozen. Once frozen, quickly transfer them into a resealable bag or any bag of your choice. You can also use a freezer-safe container. Feel free to portion the plantain slices as you wish. And freeze. When you're ready to fry the plantain, in this video, I will be deep frying the plantain. However, you can also shallow fry the plantain if preferred. You do not need to defrost or thaw the plantains. Take the plantain slices out of the freezer and immediately transfer them into the hot oil, straight from the freezer into the hot oil. The oil should not be too hot or else it will not cook on the inside. If you notice the plantain is getting burnt immediately, it is a sign that the oil is too hot, so you need to reduce the heat. Toss the plantain to ensure it fries well all over. The fried plantain is ready when it turns golden brown on both sides. Transfer the fried plantain to a plate lined with kitchen towel to get rid of the excess oil. Repeat the same process with the remaining plantain. There are so many serving options when it comes to fried plantain. It can be served with fried egg, fried rice, beans, gizzard stew, jollof rice, white rice, mushy rice, and more. What do you love to combine fried plantain with? Feel free to let me know in the comment section below. See the links in the description box below for the 7 options that I have just mentioned. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button so you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share the video with your loved ones, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.